How to sign up for Udemy affiliate program. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sign up for Udemy affiliate program. You can see this interface on my screen. You can access it easily by clicking the link in my description box. Once you click on the link, you will land on this page. You can earn commissions by sharing relevant content and offers with your audience. You can choose from thousands of courses and exclusive promotions. Promote Udemy content with attracting assets including course-specific links, site-wide links, and custom links with deep linking capabilities. So let's get started without wasting any time. As you can see here, it is written Udemy is a leading destination for learning and teaching online. Become an affiliate partner today and promote a product that creates new possibilities for people everywhere. By clicking join now, you can become an affiliate partner with Udemy. If you have an account, you can log in from here, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up and also continue with your Google account. Let's click on join now. So here it is written, how can you join Udemy affiliate program? People wishing to join the Udemy affiliate program will need to submit an application to one of the affiliate networks they partner with. A list of affiliate partner is shown here below. So before applying, they recommend to check their program's requirement to see if you are eligible or not. To read the requirements, you need to click on requirements, and here they are. You need to have a list of followers, consistent traffic, site theme, site content, and alignment with their brands. When you read them, then you need to go back, and from here you need to choose a mid link. Once you choose a mid link, let's say I'm choosing Asia Pacific mid link, then I'll click on the link, and from here your registration will start. You need to give your company info, your country name, and then you need to give them your contact and account information, your first name, your last name, your email. You need to type a password, and then you need to confirm a password, and here you can also give a security question, and then you need to type the answer here. Then you need to give them some primary website info like your website name and its URL, and then you need to provide a short description here, and you need to choose a category, your gender, and your age. Then you need to give them a payment method and then an email subscription, and here is your membership agreement. I recommend you to read it thoroughly. So once you are done with reading the membership agreement, then you need to click on these boxes that you have read them and accept the publisher membership agreement, and you have read their affiliate network and downloadable software application policies, and then you need to confirm them that you are older than 18 years. And once you are done, click on sign me up and you will get registered. They will email you back once you are done. This is how you can join Udemy affiliate program. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.